SaaS two-way portability. In the fast-paced world of securities trading, even momentary disruptions can ripple across the market. Delayed clearing operations, unsettled trades, and financial risks can affect participants across the ecosystem. This is where the strength of collaboration and innovation steps in. Guided by SEBI's vision, India's clearing corporations, ICCL and NCL, partnered with exchanges, BSE, NSE and MSEI to redefine clearing resilience. Together, they developed a solution to ensure uninterrupted operations for market participants. This innovation marks a global first, the world's first integrated central counterparty (CCP) SaaS framework. Introducing the SaaS two-way portability model, a pioneering framework ensuring business continuity by seamlessly shifting clearing operations between ICCL and NCL. SaaS enhances the core risk management function (RMS) of a CCP in case of primary system failure of an impacted CCP. This revolutionary model is driven by real-time data synchronization via dedicated infrastructure, integrated risk management system to mitigate risks, automated workflows to streamline processes, collaboration tools for seamless communication across MIIs. The SaaS two-way portability system exemplifies a unique collaborative model of software resiliency. It ensures ICCL and NCL are synchronized in real time. In the event of disruption, the impacted CCA first checks the feasibility of activating its disaster recovery (DR) site. If DR activation is deemed non-feasible, the SaaS instance is activated, and the impacted CCA immediately informs the alternate CCB. CCB seamlessly activates SaaS RMS operations for CCA in collaboration for the remaining trading session. During the process, the operations of CCA functions on CCB's software while utilizing the hardware infrastructure of CCA. By day's end, the impacted CCA resumes and updates its operational data, continuing its normal end-of-day processes like file dissemination and reconciliation. This innovative approach ensures uninterrupted market operations, reduces downtime, and safeguards investor confidence, highlighting a truly resilient clearing ecosystem. Live test conducted on March 2nd and May 18, 2024 demonstrated the system's flawless operation across equity and derivative segments, proving its real-time disruption handling capabilities. The SaaS two-way portability model delivers uninterrupted clearing operations, reduced financial and operational risk, a resilient, future-ready clearing ecosystem guided by SEBI. This initiative exemplifies the power of collaboration. Together, we protect every trade, every participant, every moment.